Okay, personally, you hit a fucking home run, nail on the head with this one. This is my number one beef with people. Oh, you can only get in and make money if you came in the beginning. Here's what fucking always happens and why you're right, but while you're wrong. The model, based on math alone, completely negates what you're saying because it's a pyramid. And even though I'm under somebody who's under somebody who's under somebody, I'm the top of my own pyramid, right? What usually happens is people with no sales skill sets, who are the Pied Pipers of influence and manipulation and all that bullshit, what they fucking do is they leverage the hype and the sensationalism and, oh my God, we're going to make $1 million in 3 fucking months, all this shit. They get everybody to come in underneath them, right? And they repeat that fucking pattern because they're smooth and smarmy and all this fucking shit, which I agree with the anti-MLM community, why they fucking do this. This was my upline in the last company I was with. They couldn't fucking sell shit. They had no sales training, no pitch, no close, no nothing. It was just, read this book, we believe in you, we love you. It fucking sucked, right? But what's going to happen, because they always do this, is when another company opens up, oh, we got something else with the best compensation plan. Because they've sucked off everybody on their team to make them feel special, right? They all go to the events. They all do the whole, I love you, let's sing together, let's do team building, dancing, all this bullshit. When it comes time for them to jump ship, all those people they manipulated will jump ship with them. That's how that works. We have to change that with true sales. Training that benefits people to see that if their upline fucking left, they don't need them. You don't need to do these 3-way calls with your fucking uplines. I don't do 3-way calls. Oh, get them on the phone with me. I'll edify you. You edify me. Blah, 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 blah. Fucking ogats right there. You fucking have to learn how to do this business so you are your own fucking closer, pitcher, all this. When you do that, you have no legs to stand on. 90% of the people who are up in the uplines, who are that fucking diamond status and shit, they're in it for the ego feed. I couldn't fucking care less. I'm in it for the money. The only way I make money is if I develop people who know the business as well as, if not better than me. This is why there are so many anti-MLM people, because they were taught by people who wanted to maintain that fucking spotlight, and it wasn't fucking fair. So you're right on this, but the math and the true sales training and the recruitment and the management, that completely blows that out of the water. I'm glad you brought this up.